Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AxisVM training course, and today we will see again about Postprocessor, but in this particular case for the analysis called vibration. So again, the same model as in the previous lesson, today applied to the vibration modes, and this is pretty much the same. With the difference that previous mode was buckling, now it is vibration. So this type of analysis in this specific menu will display the results of vibration analysis, which are mode shapes and frequencies. The mode shapes are normalized in respect to the mass, and we can see as this is mode shape 1, what is on the image, and then if you go through the mode shapes, you will see different frequencies and what is the deformation in the elements that we have. It is pretty much the same, so we can have it in diagrams, ISO lines, whatever you have. So very easy to show and to understand. Let us increase a little here, okay, and we get rapidly this kind of thing. I think it's too much, so let us put this for example in 5, and basically it is this. Again, in the information window there are some topics that are important to notice. First, the F for the frequency of what we are checking. Then we have this T, which corresponds to the period. This letter here, it's the circular frequency. The eigenvalue value, the error, it's similar to buckling, where we can see the relative error of the eigenvalue value. And finally, the number of iterations performed until we achieve a convergence with the tolerances that are defined. So basically that. Nothing more to tell you, with the exception that, again, you can see some additional topics about this analysis of the results and to work with vibrations in our video of examples. Besides, any questions on anything you may want to ask us for clarification or for help that you may need.